Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Lava Mobile guys phone language setting. And today video title is guys how to add language in Lava Mobile and how to set up language in Lava Mobile. So one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about Lava Mobile language full setting. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Lava Mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava Mobile. Friends, in your Lava Mobile, friends, scroll it. System setting, friends, click here. Language and input setting, click here. Again, click here, friends, language setting. Friends, you want to add any language in your Lava Mobile, click here, add language. And friends, which language you want to use, select your language. Friends, you want to use Urdu language, Hindi language, select your language. Friends, there are many languages in Lava Mobile. And friends, you want to search any language, so friends click here and you can search language also. Friends, I will search Hindi language. I will click here. Friends, Hindi language will add. After add, friends click here right side two line, press here and set Hindi language. After 4 and 5 seconds, back button, click here back button, and friends you can check phone language will set Hindi, English to Hindi. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, SIM card, hotspot, display, navigation bar, sound, application, intelligent, smart touch, battery, password setting, system setting. So friends, your phone language will set into Hindi. And friends, you don't want to use Hindi language, friends, you want to set English language. So again open your phone setting. After phone setting, friends, click here smart or system setting first. Then friends click here input setting, language setting. And friends, you have English language, you don't have, so friends click here plus icon and you can add English language. After add English language, friends select your English language, and friends you can change the language Hindi to English. And friends you can check language will change Hindi to English. So like that friends, you can use language full setting in your Lava Mobile. And friends, you want to remove language, friends click here select language and you can remove language in your Lava Mobile. Friends, I don't want to remove language. So like that friends, we can use language full setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.